In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your screensaver in your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in power plans. One of the best matches should come back with choose a power plan. Just want to left click on that one time. If you're on Windows 7 or Windows 8 or even Windows 10 and you were going through the control panel, you just go control panel and then do all control panel items, so probably just a bunch of icons on the screen. Just sort by all large icons and then select power options. So whatever plan is currently selected, you want to go ahead and left click on change plan settings over on the right. Where it says turn off the display and put the computer to sleep, if you want to disable the screensaver, you want to just set both of these to never. So that means the computer is not going to go to sleep. So pretty straightforward tutorial on that part. Now if you just were looking to turn off a screensaver but your computer still went into sleep mode, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And that would be to just open up the start menu, type in screensaver, best match, change screensaver. I'm going to just left click on that. And then if you want to just turn off a screensaver but your computer still goes into sleep mode, just click inside the drop down here and select none. So there's a little bit of a difference between turning off screensaver and then just turning off your computer from sleeping. I think people might mix the two up, so I just wanted to kind of put both out there. So I do hope the brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.